Question 8. Okay, a polystyrene cup contains a mass of 95 grams of water at 28 degrees Celsius. A cube of ice of mass 12 grams is put into the water. Okay, so we have warm water mixing with the cold ice. Initially, the ice is at 0 degrees Celsius, and the water, okay, of this specific capacity is stirred until all the ice melts. And they want us to calculate the final temperature of the water, because the warm water will lose heat to the cold ice. The ice will melt, and then the melted water temperature will rise until all of them, the mixture, will reach a final temperature. Okay, this is very similar to the example 14 in our lecture notes. So you may want to refer to example 14, okay, for reference. So we're going to do the same thing to solve the question as in our lecture example 14. We're going to say that the heat will be gained by the cold ice, and the heat gain will come from the heat loss by the warm water. Okay, the heat gained by ice, there are two stages. First, the ice will melt when it gain the heat. Okay, we use the latent heat formula. ml is the mass of the ice. Okay, 12 grams. Then after the ice has melted, become the melted water, then its temperature will rise as it gain the heat from the warm water, and this is the heat capacity formula, mc delta theta. Okay, let the final temperature be theta, then the change in temperature will be just theta. Then the heat loss by the warm water, okay, the water is initially 28 degrees Celsius. Okay, we use the heat capacity formula, mc. Okay, the m is the mass of the warm water, 95 grams, c, and times, okay, the change in temperature, this time is heat loss. Okay, for heat loss, we know that initial temperature will be higher, final temperature will be lower. So the change in temperature in this case will be the initial temperature minus the final temperature. Okay, so there you have it. All the heat gained by the ice in the two stages is equal to heat loss by the warm water. Okay, sub in all the values, we'll get the final temperature as 16 degrees Celsius.